Friends, what is up? Let's talk about meta materials. This has been the talk of the town, this stock, and a lot of people love this or hate this or kind of just PO'd at this stock right now because it's been caught in some lies, it's been caught in some hype, and people have got stuck in it, and people are like, is this thing really going to do something? Well, I've got good news and I've got bad news. So personally, I've been making videos on this for a while, and I've been telling people like, listen, this is probably going to get, pretty bad here. If you bought this around the hype when we had that big markup on it right before the merger and right before it came onto the stock exchange as who it is now, which is Mmat, Meta Materials, if you got caught in that and you didn't sell on that, I feel your pain. Everyone's been there, but probably got some bad news for you. So we have seen nothing but just decline in Meta Materials since that point. Every week, every day, we see volume, we see the bid price go down, and it's just not catching itself. It keeps going down. People are just selling this thing day by day. They're trading it, but a lot of long-term investors, a lot of people that got stuck in it are just selling off, and they're taking the hit, or they're taking profit if they bought in low enough, and they're just getting out of it. Because what it's looking like with Meta Materials is this a fantastic company? Yeah, this is a fantastic company with a broad view of what they're gonna do. And honestly, in the next few years, this could be $1 billion company. This could be a really big thing to be a part of. But here's the problem. Generally, like 8 out of 10 people, investors, are not willing to invest in a company, in a stock, and sit there for 3 to 5 years for this thing to really do something. And personally, I've been telling people like, hey, this is probably going to be like $1.50 or $2.50 here very soon. You're probably going to see that by September, October. I realize a lot of people are like, what are you talking about? Listen, there's nothing there to really hold this company up right now. Yes, they took a lot of money with the merger. They took $162 million with the merger, and they had that cash on hand. But they still need to come out with quarters. You're having two companies merged together at this point. There's a lot of unknowns that we still don't know about the company. And there's a lot of things behind the scenes that we still don't know. So obviously, we're waiting on real investing time to happen here. We're waiting on quarterlies to come out. We're waiting on, all the things that this company is trying to develop. So 2 things that Meta Materials is trying to do in the world right now to make them a big, solid company and a company that you would want to invest in as an investor. 2 things that they're trying to do right now. The company's mission is to go beyond traditional compounds by developing new structures that don't exist naturally in nature. So they're still in the process of developing what they're doing. So that right there means time, or can you wait? Meta Materials, the company, is seeking to develop a wide range of applications for its next generation compounds. These include use in the healthcare industry, solar panels, automobiles, and 5G technology, among others. Now, obviously, Meta Materials has a lot of things cooking in the oven right now. They are quite busy with a lot of different aspects of what they're trying to do right now and what they're trying to do with their bread and butter of daily income. And these are all good things, but everything you see and everything you read, it's gonna take time. And I'm a firm believer that people are just, they're gonna move on to new things. So here's what I would do personally with this and what I plan to do personally. Do I like Meta Materials? Absolutely. I think this is great, and I am totally in on what they're doing. I love things that are very futuristic looking. I love companies that are trying to do something unique, trying to do something different, especially when it comes to compounds, making new instruments for technology, for the medical field, things that they are doing. I love that kind of stuff. I believe the stock market is going to continue to be hurt here. I think the market is going to get a lot worse here. And I think Meta Materials is not going to be able to support anything of what it's done here in the past 35 to 40 days. And I believe this stock is going to go down to $2.50, especially, and probably see around $1.50, high 80 range here by October, maybe even November. But I think September and October are going to be some really hard months for this stock. And yeah, I hope I'm wrong for people that are in it. I get it, but just looking at what's coming in the market and what this is bringing in right now, I really think this thing's going to take a big hit before you start to see something really good happen with it. So obviously I'm putting against it. I believe it's going to continue to go down here. So that would leave you with great buying opportunity here in the coming months. Now, you have to do what you want to do. You are your own investor. This is what I am doing. So, I'm letting you know what I'm doing. A lot of people ask me, and if you care, you care. If you don't, you don't. That's fine. I'll just keep making videos and drinking coffee at 7 o'clock at night. That's what I do. But listen, guys, with all this said, Mmat Materials, great company, great futuristic outlook of what it's trying to do. Hopefully it can achieve it. Hopefully it can do it. But if you're thinking this one probably is going to pop in 2021, I wouldn't be so sure. I'd be very careful with even buying this thing at a $3 range. Could it have a good day here? Could we see $3.50 again? Yeah, sure, probably it will. We'll probably see a run on it here soon, but every time we do see a run on it, I think we're going to see even a bigger decline in it because people are going to be getting out of it, and we've all seen that episode before, and I think that's what you're going to see here with Mmat. But friends, I wish you all the luck. Remember, be positive, be you. Take time to invest in your future. It is so important. It's a really good thing to do. But friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.